Hey Jesse, what are you doing?
Man, I'm just gonna change out my cabin air filter real quick. Should we just do a video on it?
I mean, we already got the camera, right?
Yeah, let's go ahead and do a video. What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm going to be installing a cabin air filter, and I wanted to show you guys can do it anywhere in the world. It's literally, we're in the middle of nowhere and we're going to go ahead and do this. In the end of this video I'm going to be showing you a new product that I did end up getting. I think it's pretty cool. It's mainly used when you guys are out in the dunes, but I thought it was pretty cool. I'm not going to show you how to install it in this video, but I am going to show you how it works and just how it looks. But yeah, so for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and install this. So this is basically a cabin air filter. Almost every vehicle has it, I believe, if it's 1996 and up, if I'm not mistaken. And you do want to go ahead and change these out around 15 to 30,000 miles. You want to go ahead and check your owner's manual to make sure on that. What the cabin air filter does for your vehicle is whenever you're running your AC, any air pollutions or any allergens that are out, the filter then filters it, puts out clean air. So it's pretty good, and it's good for your health to go ahead and change these out. So if you haven't changed it in a long time, I'd highly recommend it. And it's super simple. You go ahead and open the glove box, really simple. Once you've opened it, you're gonna go ahead and see it's right here. Pull this up, pops right out. Nice and easy, nothing too hard. It's gonna be right here. You're gonna see two tabs. You wanna go ahead and pull them in, pull these things in, and it pops right off. There's your cabin air filter. As you can tell, that's nasty. That's all the nasty stuff from the air, dirt, debris. As you can tell, like, it's dusty. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you now the new one, and you guys can make up your mind. Basically, I just pulled it out. I usually just leave it there just so I can look at the other one. It does give you directions on how to put it. So as you can tell on this one, the arrow's facing up, the one we took out. On the new one, the arrow's facing up now. So this is the way we're gonna insert it. But as you can tell, this one's seriously super white compared to this one. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. So this is trash. I'm not even joking with you guys. Seriously, check on this if you haven't changed it out. It's seriously, it's gonna save your life. So then to put it, you literally just drop it back in. Nice and easy. Put that cover back, nice and easy. As you can tell, nice and secure. Go ahead and grab the bracket now. Pop it in. Till it clicks, and you're done. You can go ahead and put your stuff back. As you can tell, nice and easy. Do this anywhere in the world. Cabin air filter change. On most vehicles, it is in the glove box, but in some it is a little bit more difficult. But in almost all the vehicles that I've worked on, they're usually in there. So like I said, most, not all. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and now show you my new toy that I got. The new toy that I did get, it's actually a whip light. Let me go ahead and show you. It's back here. Basically what this is, and like I said, I'll show you how it works and everything. I'm not going to show you the installation today, but you can mount this basically anywhere. You can mount it here, kind of like where I have my CB radio antenna. And you usually see these on Razors, you see these on Jeeps, you see these on many other vehicles when you're out on the dunes. And it's cool because AUXBEAM does provide a little flag for it, which it's awesome at night. So this is just an RGB, it lights up, it does different colors, which I'll show you in a minute. So let's go ahead and get to that so you guys can see how cool my lightsaber really is. So you want to go ahead and download, of course, the application that it comes with. It does come instructions on how to download it. The on button, and there it is. This thing's freaking bright.
Dude, that's fucking bright.
That's pretty bright. And it's also RGB, so you can go ahead and change the colors, whatever color you want, as you can tell. And you can mount this thing literally anywhere. You can mount it on the back, you can mount it on the roof, you can mount it wherever. Specifically pretty awesome to have whenever you guys are out in the dunes, or if you guys are even going off-roading with friends. Maybe the person in the front and the person way in the back could have this just to kind of keep the line going and see who's in front, see who's in back at nighttime. If you guys do want to go ahead and purchase yours, I will make sure to link it down below. It's really inexpensive. Look at it, it looks awesome. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, let me know your thoughts.